The next finalist represents the San Alejo Middle School site. Please welcome Ernie Valencia to the stage.
Good evening, my name is Ernesto Valencia. I've been a resident of San Marcos since 1998. I'm 12 years old and the youngest of 3 boys in my family. I am a 7th grade student at San Alejo Middle School, where I've been fortunate enough in having the opportunity to attend Boys and Girls Club at San Alejo Middle School. On the first day of 6th grade, I was nervous since Boys and Girls Club was a new after-school program for me. When I first went to the Boys and Girls Club, I was shy, but as the days and weeks went on, I made new friends and I loved it because I could actually finish my homework. And later after that, we could socialize and play fun games. Inside the Boys and Girls Club, they had clubs like Torch Club, where we can organize events for social recreation within the club, and Smart Moves, where we learn basic skills to make good decisions in life and never do something that would harm our future. Smart Moves also helps us to develop self-esteem and self-confidence. I always remember one day when the club had a fiesta day. Torch Club organized fun games like Pin the Tail on the Donkey and brought different dishes such as nachos, Mexican cookies, and to drink horchata water. It was a blast. I have many fun memories from the club. My favorites are when Mr. Nick would sing songs by Whitney Houston. And when we played team tag, Mr. Nick pops out of nowhere and sends us all running. Miss Alyssa was a kind-hearted person and always cracked jokes and socialized with us. She was all about fitness. For example, I will never forget the jogathon and raise money for the club. And last but not least, Miss Maritza with her laughing with us when we tell stories, helping us out with homework, and always kind and sweet. The club means a lot to me because while other kids are out making bad decisions, I'm at a safe environment at the Boys and Girls Club, and they educate us and let us have a good time. Also, leaders were very cool, and they inspired me and helped me to be at the top of my classes. Because of their inspiration, I've been thinking about my future. And in the future, my dream is to go to UC Santa Barbara and study archaeology. And after that, I want to go to Harvard Law School and become a criminal defense lawyer. There's a quote that says, "To achieve the possible, you must attempt the impossible." This quote gives me the motivation to study harder until I reach my dream. Another inspiration for me is my cousin Melly, who graduated from Orange Glen High School with honors, and now she goes to Princeton University. She is very smart. Music also inspires me because it makes me feel good and keeps me going every day. And last but not least, my biggest motivation is story that I hear, such as my dad's, where he had limited resources and he still went to college as the first generation of his family, and he got an MBA with emphasis in finance. The Boys and Girls Club has been a place with many possibilities for me, where positive things always happen. It is helping me one step at a time to seek for my highest goals, and I'm sure with the club's help, I will achieve my dream to make a difference and to contribute to the community. Thank you for the honor to be nominated to the year finalists.